Today, I'm going to be replacing my turn signal switch. These cars are very cheap, so usually the turn signal goes out pretty fast. The switch, it kind of cracks, and then it doesn't, on the internal stuff, it doesn't turn off by itself after you complete a turn. Very annoying. So, if you have that problem and you hate turning your turning signals off manually, like you have to, then this is the video for you. From what I can tell, it looks very simple. There's just 3 bolts that are 7mm, and you might need a screwdriver or a pry tool, like a clip tool, so you can, because there might be a couple clips, I'm not for sure, but I'll find out when we get started. As you can see, there's 1 bolt there, 1 there, and then 1 right there. So, first thing we need to do is take those bolts out, which is pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so that's out. Basically, you just have to yank very gently, and everything should pop out. The brand I went with is actually AC Delco, because AC Delco is actually GM's replacement part company, so I guess that's how you say it. But yeah, that's why I chose AC Delco. I got it off Rock Auto. It was like 33 bucks. With shipping and everything, so it's not that expensive of a fix. We got to this point, we have the plastic off with the 3 bolts, and it looks like this turn signal switch just pops right out. If you get in there, I don't know how good you can see it, but it looks like it just pops out with the clips. Looks like there's clips down here, so you just take your screwdriver, I believe. The whole box for the turn signal out, I actually had to take this trim piece off because it was interfering with the turn signal was hitting that. So yeah, you just had to take that trim piece off, and then you just slide the turn signal out, just like that. Then you have to unplug it, which is just a, you know, normal 2 clips, it looks like. There you go. Your old one's out. Your old... Listen, you can hear stuff inside of it. So this one's trash. Now we can go ahead and install the new one. And just for reference, here's those 2 clips I was talking about. Those 2 electrical clips. It's very easy to get out. You just have to be careful so you don't break anything else. To install it, you just repeat the same process you did to take it apart, and then go test it. Or just test it in here, either one. Doesn't matter. When you tighten these little bolts, you really want to be careful not to tighten it too much. Just get it snug, because you really don't want to break a bolt or crack your plastic. I've experienced that with replacing the radio before. It was not a fun time. I took this little cap off because I didn't know what was behind it. So I just got to push that back in. And there we go. Honestly, it's kind of sad because this one's so much more shiny than this wiper one now, so I don't know. So what I'm going to do to see if it works is just turn the car on so I get power steering, and then just turn signal on, then turn the wheel. So yeah, let's do that. Lights work. Ooh. Everything's so much more crisp on it too. It's very nice. Everything is crisp. Okay. Okay, I have a turning signal. This is good. It turned off! I didn't think I would ever be so excited about a turning signal turning off, but I am. We did it, people. We did it. Or I did it. You're not here. This is a very quick and easy thing to do. If it's bugging you, you can do it. It's 4 bolts. No, it's 3. Even less than that. So, yeah, it was pretty easy. I got it done in like 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this install, and I'll see you in the next video. This one will probably be out before the lip video. So, see you in the lip video. Bye, guys.